Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car is a 7-seater, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter. You also get some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox done under 3,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.